And thank you. And just miles downtown Minneapolis is nearby. That's where the courthouse remains boarded up as the state is close to resting its case in the trial of Derek Chauvin. 38 witnesses testified over the course of 11 days, including family, bystanders, first responders, Minneapolis's police chief, use of force experts, and medical experts. Now the defense prepares for its term. Today's hearing, it began early with a request from the defense to immediately sequester the jury after the events in Brooklyn Center overnight.
NewsNation's Felicia Bolton is live in our newsroom tonight with those developments. Felicia.
Emotional testimony this afternoon from George Floyd's brother after weeks of witness and professional testimonies. It was the prosecution's way to humanize the man most people have only seen in cell phone video being handcuffed, taken into custody, and dying minutes later on the ground. Here is just some of Philonise Floyd's testimony describing his brother growing up and his close relationship with their mother.
As my mother, she's no longer with us right now, but that's my oldest brother, George. He was a big mama's boy. I cry a lot, but George, he loved his mom. He will always just be up on her. And, you know, every mother loves all of her kids, but it was so unique how they were with each other. And just kissing her, he didn't want to leave the casket. And everybody was like, come on, it's going to be okay. But it was just difficult because I don't know who can take that when you watch your mother, somebody who loved and cherished you and nourished you for your entire life, and then they have to leave you. We all have to go through it, but it's difficult. And George, he was just in pain the entire time.
The truth and nothing but the truth.
Today, Dr. Jonathan Rich, a cardiologist from Northwestern Hospital, testified that Floyd should have been alive at the end of the day.
Do you have an opinion to a reasonable degree of medical certainty as to whether Mr. Floyd's death was preventable?
Yes, I do.
Would you tell us what that opinion is?
Yes, I believe that Mr. George Floyd's death was absolutely preventable.
If Mr. Floyd had simply gotten in the back seat of a squad car, do you think that he would have survived?
Had he not been restrained in the way in which he was, I think he would have survived that day. I think he would have gone home or wherever he was going to go had he not been subjected to the prone and positional restraint that he was.
Tomorrow, the prosecution is expected to rest. The defense is expected to go through Thursday. The judge thinks they will take Friday off with closing arguments starting next Monday. And while the judge shot down the defense request to sequester the jury due to an unrelated deadly police shooting yesterday in the Minneapolis area, the judge did say he will likely sequester them Monday for closing arguments. I'll have much more on today's testimonies at our next hour of Prime. Marnie?
Felicia, thank you. And these events